In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I made this face mask. Now, I'm not a seamstress. This is actually my very first time sewing, but I was able to do this. So if you're interested in making yourself or friends or even establishments in your area that are needing masks, then I hope that this tutorial helps you out. Let's go. To start off, you're gonna wanna cut a 9" by 7" piece of felty material and then a 9" by 7" piece of cotton material of your choice. Don't use plain blue or plain white because then it could get mixed up with medical masks. Now your felty material is two-sided. There's one that has a little bit deeper impression and one that has shallower impressions. You're gonna wanna look for the side that has the deeper impressions on it, and that is what's gonna be facing the inside, so towards your mouth. So whenever you're putting your two pieces together, you need to get the deeper impressions and face it towards the pretty side of your fabric. Because what we're gonna do is place these together, sew it, and then end up turning it inside out. So now you're gonna take the pretty side of your material and face it down towards your felty mask material. Now we're gonna sew it.
Okay, now remember, you go forward, back, then forward.
Okay, here we go. Oh, stop pushing my buttons. Now you're gonna use the sewing machine to run a seam along all four edges, but you wanna leave at least a 2" gap so that you can turn it inside out in the next step.
Okay, slow down.
No. Okay, here we go.
Don't go so fast, you're gonna go crazy.
No, I'm not. Look how great I am.
You can drive me crazy.
Nope. Yeah, they wouldn't give you a top speed if you weren't meant to use it.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
To turn it inside out, a quick tip for you is to use a screwdriver to push the opposite end, the closed end, towards your open pocket. Once you have it poking through, now you can pull it out just like you're pulling a rabbit out of a hat. For all you magicians out there. I wonder if this will protect me from you.
I need protection from you.
Now that the material is facing the correct direction, now we're gonna position some pins so that we can make some pleats in the mask. I recommend using 2 different colors so that you can keep track of them. And I do have a free template link for you down below on the measurements that you need to place both the reds or the blues, or whatever colors of pins you choose. In order to make the pleats, you can use your color-coded pins to create them. You're gonna take the red and fold it over the blue pin. Then, because I found it difficult to hold on to all of the pleats, I went ahead and restuck it with a different colored pin. In my case, I used white. I did that on all 3, then stuck it in the machine to sew it in place.
You didn't reverse.
I'm reversing. Now forward, now reverse, now forward. Yeah, buddy. Okay. I want to say a big thank you to Felty for sponsoring this video. It is truly amazing what Felty is doing right now because they have transitioned their entire manufacturing facilities to produce this face mask material around the clock and are offering the cost of the material to consumers at cost. If you're interested in using Felty for your mask or the creation of masks for others, click the link down in the description and use the promo code April to get 10% off your order. Look at that!
Those are pretty pleats.
Those are pretty
you
pleats.
You did good.
Pretty pleats.
Wow, you did good. That's your first pleat.
My mom actually.
Oh, don't get that sentimental. They're pleats. How do you make it stop? Reverse.
That's why you don't go too fast, so you can...
I can go fast.
Oh,
it's a mask. Look at this. Now we're gonna sew on these elastic strips to create a way to wrap it around your ear and hold it to your face. Now you're gonna take the elastic band and sew one side to the bottom of the mask, loop it around, and now sew the top to the top side of the mask. And then do the same thing on the other side. Done. Record time too. All right, and there we have a completed mask. Now, I've never sewn anything in my life, and I've done this in under an hour from start to end. So if I can do it, then I know that you can as well. And of course, now that I've done it once, I'll be able to repeat it much quicker than that. So if you're interested in helping out a good cause, you can get a roll of this material and make anywhere from 50 to 80 masks, depending on which pattern of mask you go with. And I've left you links down below for the so that you can find an organization in your specific area that is calling for help that is needing these masks. So I hope that that has helped you out if you're interested in making masks to help out, or even for yourself or friends. And I hope that you're staying safe, and I hope to see you soon. I think I need to pick my foot up.
Just a little, not too much.
I mean, who's to say?
No, I wouldn't think so.
But I need to fold it.
No, you fold it from this side.
No, I fold the top down.
No,
Yes.
no,
Look. Yes.
fold it.
Watch this, Mom. I'm gonna put my foot down.
I've put my foot down with you for years.
How'd that work out?